Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now just revising what Friedel-Crafts reaction was, I am taking the case of alkylation over here. In the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which acts as a Lewis acid over here, what happens is that this bond is broken. The Cl gets attached to AlCl3, thus generating AlCl4 minus, and this becomes CH3 plus. This is the electrophile which is formed in case of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and this electrophile attacks on the benzene ring. Now in case of aniline, if we try to carry out the Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation, what happens is that AlCl3, which is a very good Lewis acid, it does not attack on this particular bond, rather it directly attacks on the lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen atom of the NH2 group, thus producing NH2 plus and AlCl3 minus. Because positive and negative charges have come in the close vicinity of each other, we call this as a salt. So AlCl3 is not generating an electrophile over here in case of aniline, rather it is directly attacking on the lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen atom. Because no electrophile is being generated over here, so we say that aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because of salt formation.